Want to download the NFL Sunday Ticket app on your smart TV? First, you want to turn on your TV and open the built-in App Store or Play Store. On Samsung, use the Samsung Smart Hub. On LG, open the LG Content Store, and on other brands, look for App section in your TV menu. Now use the search bar to type NFL Sunday Ticket. When the app appears, select it and tap Download or Install. Once installed, open the app from your TV's home screen and sign in with your account details. If your smart TV doesn't support the app directly, you can still watch by connecting a streaming device like Roku, Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast and downloading the Sunday Ticket app there. Make sure your TV software is updated before installing to avoid errors, and always log in with your subscribed account to unlock the games. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.